Action! For God's sake! Have you taken the action?
I just had a thought of learning acting, but coming here, definitely it improved my confidence because, as I said, I was really new, and any mistakes you point it out, and it really helped me to improve my skills. I would say all the fellow participants really good, highly talented, and they always inspired me because whenever I am not able to do my things good, they'll inspire me and they'll let me know how to do it correctly. So I would say coach is really experienced, not only the way he's teaching acting but also technically very sound. So he's a bundle of everything in acting, I would say. So definitely it inspired and it helped us, me particularly, to learn and grow. As I said, this is the only workshop in Dubai where you can learn acting. So you have no other choice, just come to Zara.